students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a plane. In this motion in a plane, I am going to discuss problems on oblique projectile part 2. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయగలరు. Okay, now let us go to today's topic, problems on oblique projectile. I'll go to the first. In this question, they given a projectile is thrown with an initial velocity of v bar is equals to a I cap plus b j cap. If range of the projectile is double the maximum height attained by it, then in this four options, which is correct now, we'll see. Let us go to the solution. In this question, the given range of the projectile is double the maximum height. So r is equals to 2h. Here ux is equals to a and uy is equals to b. So h by r is equals to tan theta by 4. Now we are substituting r. Here r is equals to 2h, that is equals to tan theta by 4. H cancel, 2 1s 2 2s. So by taking cross multiplication, tan theta is equals to 2. Tan theta nothing but u by uy by ux, that is equals to 2. So b by a, uy nothing but b and ux is a, so b by a is equals to 2. So therefore by taking cross multiplication, b is equals to 2a. So this is the final answer, b is equals to 2a. Which one is correct? Third one is correct. Next we will go to the next question. If the range of a gun which fires a shell with the muzzle speed v is r, then the angle of elevation of the gun is. So here they given the range of a gun which fires a shell with the muzzle speed v is r. You have to calculate the angle of elevation of the gun. Let us go to the solution. R is equals to v square, r is equals to v square sine 2 theta by g. Here they gave u is equals to v, so that's why here we are writing v square sine 2 theta by g. Sine 2 theta is equals to g r by v square. So here 2 theta is equals to sine inverse of r g by v square, or we can write it as theta is equals to half or 1 by 2 sine inverse r g by v square. Okay, this is the angle of elevation of the gun. This is final answer. Theta is equals to 1 by 2 sine inverse r g by v square. Here fourth option is correct. Next we will go to the next question. A projectile is thrown into space so as to have the maximum possible horizontal range equal to 400 meters, taking the point of projection as the origin. The coordinates of the point where the velocity of the projectile is minimum are. Now let us go to the solution. R is equals to, in this question they given us r is equals to 400 meters. Velocity of projectile is minimum at maximum height. So coordinates of the point where the velocity of projectile minimum are r by 2 and h. Here we are drawing this projectile maximum height h, and from here to here r by 2, and this u cos theta, and then r by 2 is equals to r given as 400 by 2, that is equals to 200 meters. So h by r is equals to 1 by 4, as theta is equals to 45 degrees. So r value, substitute r value here, h is equals to r by 4. Therefore h is equals to r by 4, that is equals to 400 by 4. 4 ones 400, so that is equals to 100 meters. This is a final answer. Next we will go to the next question. A number of bullets are fired in all possible directions with the same initial velocity u. The maximum r of ground covered by bullets is. So in this question they given a number of bullets are fired in all possible directions with the same initial velocity u. You have to calculate the maximum r of ground covered by bullet is. In this 4 options, which one is correct? Now let us go to the solution. R maximum is equals to u square by g. So maximum area is equals to pi r maximum square, that is equals to pi r maxima is equals to u square by g whole square. So maximum area covered by the bullet is equals to, therefore maximum area is equals to pi into u square by g whole square. Okay, so in this which option is correct? Fourth one is correct. Okay, next we will go to the next question, that is 10th question. The ceiling of a long hall is 25 meters high. What is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meters per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall? In this question they given z is equals to 10 meters per second square and the speed 40 meters per second and height 25 meters. Let us go to the solution. Now we will write h is equals to u square sine square theta by 2g. H is equals to u square sine square theta by 2g given as 25 meters and u nothing but 40 meters per second. Substituting values u as 40 and sine square theta by g nothing but 10, that is equals to 25. So here this can be written as sine square theta is equals to 25. Here we are taking cross multiplication, 2 into 10 20, 25 into 20 by 40 whole square. So this can be written as 25 into 20 500, 40 whole square nothing but 1600, 0 0 0 0 cancel. So we are getting sine square theta is equals to 5 by 16. Sine square theta is equals to 5 by 16. The 5 by 16 value 0.3125. So sine theta is equals to under root of 0.3125. So root of 0.3125 0.5534. So sine theta is equals to 0.5534. Then theta is equals to, we are getting 33.6. So R is equals to U square sine 2 theta by G. Again substituting values in this formula, U as 40, U square nothing but 40 square nothing but 40 into 40 into sine 2 of theta nothing but 33.6 by Z value 10. 0 0 cancel. Here R is equals to 40 into 4 160, 160 into sine of 2 into 33.6 67.2. So by here this complete value 160 into sine 67.2. Sine 67.2. Sine 67.2 0.9219. So after multiplication we are getting the final answer is 147.5 meters. This is the value of R. R is equals to 147.5 meters. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.